How to recognize and avoid shortcut installation techniques left by previous plumbers or handymen starts with a focused inspection and a checklist mindset. Begin by removing the fixture and inspecting every connection visually and by feel, looking for poor seals, mismatched materials, and temporary fixes such as silicone used where mechanical fasteners should be. When you find the toilet wax ring area, check for an insufficient wax ring that is thin, compressed, or placed off-center. Replace it with a correct thickness wax ring or a wax ring with plastic flange matched to the floor height. And if the flange sits below the finished floor, add a flange extension or spacer to restore proper compression. For toilet flange and bolt issues, tighten and replace corroded or bent bolts with stainless steel or brass bolts and use properly seated washer and nut combinations, making sure the flange is secure to the subfloor with corrosion-resistant screws. Inspect drain connections for short stub sections, undersized trap assemblies, or shared vents that were modified. Cut back to sound pipe, reconfigure trap arm lengths to code length limits, and use proper solvent weld or compression fittings sized to match the original pipe. Check for makeshift supports and straps under sinks and pipes. Add rigid supports and hangers at recommended intervals so joints do not carry load and fittings do not sag. Verify venting by confirming the vent stack is unobstructed and tied into the drain system correctly. If the previous work shows vent bypassing or illegal downspout connections, correct the routing and test with an experienced smoke or water test to confirm proper flow. Common mistakes include relying on silicone or caulk to replace mechanical seals, which will fail with movement and temperature change. Fix by removing the caulked joint and installing the correct gasket, flange, or mechanical clamp. Another frequent issue is undersized or poorly sloped drain runs, which cause slow drains and backups. Remedy this by reestablishing correct slope of 1/4 inch per foot and upsizing pipe where original work reduced diameter. The third common problem is loose or poorly anchored fixtures that creep and fracture seals over time. Resolve that by securely fastening flanges and mounting hardware to the structural subfloor, using shims where needed and torquing nuts to even pressure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare who is available for their specific repair needs, while we provide a discussion community where members share experiences and ask about installation details. We help contractors find new work by listing opportunities and letting them engage directly with homeowners and community conversations.